Hello, I'm Situ, and today I'm presenting about the course for one for the machine learning module. So now at first I'm presenting the code where I deploy in the Jupyter notebook. So and in the first step, I import necessary library and dataset. Here's my dataset, citygroup1 data.csv, and here's the reset. And I also show the first time of the dataset. Here's the reset, and I import the training and testing data and testing for the split function. And I split in the data for the testing and 30% and training 70%. With the reset. And I'm using the polynomial regression for the prediction. And I split in the x and y. And I split and train and test. And I create a reset table. I GLBS predicted. I hit the reset. I also prediction the content. This is the prediction, and this is the residual, and this is the SE square error. Hit the reset. And next one is I use the lasso regression for the model prediction and y value. And I split in the feature and target. And I also split training 70% and testing 30%. Hit the reset. And I evaluate the prediction model. And I also calculate the evaluation metric that I'm showing the table 1 model evaluation metric with restriction, table 2 model evaluation metric with simplifying, and table 3 model evaluation metric with full name. Hit the reset. And I regression code for the polynomial regression with the best degree. And I also included an additional visualization for residual analysis. I also I'm splitting training 70% and testing 30%. And I evaluate the metric. Then this is the metric table what I show is the no rule table. And this is the output. This is the GLBS predicted value I show with the block. And this is the residual distribution I show with the bar chart. Next one is I also show the compound mentioned in the chart and seminar, and I explain what is the supervised learning. And I also describe which is the following is classification with the following integration. This is the two plot I'm showing. And this is the regression block, and this one is the categorization block. And I also explain the general purpose supervised learning. I also calculate the mean square error and MSE. Here is the reset. I also explain the two components are used for the and the value of the distant mean. And I also mention first component and second component. So this is the end of my presentation. Thank you.